And hope doing well. Today I tried to make some change with the single channel operation amplifier testing because of I'm working for the photodiode projects with the special operational amplifier ICs, and it is more than necessary for me to test the um, operational amplifiers because of I believe most of on original amplifiers not working properly well. So today I designed this project with small changes. As you can see, here is my schematic, and this is the project. I'm going to test the project. As you can see, it is connected to the 9-volt battery, but it is the 12-volt battery is not fresh one, and I have 77.6 volts the voltage. And also I designed the virtual ground, as you can see, because of for the operational amplifiers is much better for the reduce the number of low noise level, reduce the noise for the operational amplifiers, and I need virtual ground. And as you can see, over one diode, one cap, and two voltage divided resistors, and it is very easy to design virtual ground. So as you can see, this part is my virtual ground, diode, cap, and two resistors. So finally, in the schematic, any place connected to the ground should be connected to the virtual ground, and only one point is connected directly to the negative rail or negative voltage, and you can see it is more than easy. Here is the IC list that I tested with this project, and I'm going to design the dual channel and 4-channel operational amplifier testing in next projects. Let's take a small test. As you can see, this is my UA741 fresh one. I'm going to place to the IC, and here is the result. The both LEDs, green and LED, are blinking, as well as the oscillation, because of the project that you can see is a kind of oscillator. As you can see, I designed one part here is a 10K, but you can go for 500K if you are using the sensitive operational amplifiers like the MCPs, because of the MCP starting with 6 are the super sensitive operational amplifiers, and they are not working with this project because of the null drift and the MCP sensitive operational amplifiers not working with this project, because of this project will make over the 10 microfarad cap and two LEDs. As you can see, the LEDs leg are reverse for negative charge and positive charge detection, because of this is a kind of oscillation, and as I said to you, and the MCP version and zero drift or null drift operational amplifiers not good for this project. Very nice. So I am trying to replace the operational amplifier IC with this one. This is working good, the operational amplifier, but it is not fresh one, and I think it received a little bit voltage. So you can see the one LED blinking, the both company are the same, and as I told, the in original ICs will not work very well most of time. I'm going to test the project with OP37G. The OP37G is one of the best multi-purpose operational amplifiers. I'm placing the IC here. Very nice. You can see the green and red, both of them are blinking. Very nice. Over the part, you can adjust the oscillation speed. I'm going for the next test with the OP27G, this one. Very nice. You can see both of the LEDs blinking. And one more time, I'm testing with the in original IC UA741. You can see one of the LEDs blinking and not anymore. I will stay on the schematic for the guys that they want to take fresh and sharp print screen for this project and do this experience. I will make 2 more videos for the 2-channel and 4-channel operational amplifier tester in few days. Thanks for watching and goodbye.